on a zigzag stitch. Go slow or really fast. There's its original button paddle, nice soft cords that are working really good. One smooth running machine. Nice steel gears. Just beautiful. Signer 600E. Model 600E. And throat plates move up and down nice and easy. Got its accessories right there. I threw in some extra accessories, I have to admit, because I like to snap on feet, and I have extra 750 Singer's Touch and Sew 750 feet in accessories, and so I stole the snap-on feet from the extra box and put them in here, so this machine has the quick and easy change, quick snap-on feet. And I also put a ruffler in here and made sure it's got all the special snap-on feet. It does have its chain stitch adapters, all 3 pieces, the extra spool, even a zipper foot, and X2, it's got an extra size of rolled hammer, a larger one, and it's got some extra cams, and there are the stitches it has built in. And then I actually have some other cams that'll work on it too, that are from a different Touch and Sew, a little later model. But anyway, that way I have a steel geared Singer Touch and Sew for fun that works great now that it's been cleaned and oiled.